Hello! Today in the lesson we will solve examples on division of rational numbers. When solving these examples we will apply the rules. Let's remember these rules. When dividing numbers with the same signs, the result of division will always be positive. If I divide two numbers with the same signs, the result is a positive number. If I divide two positive numbers, the result is a positive number. If I divide two numbers with different signs, the result is a negative number. A positive number divided by a negative number is also a negative number. Notice the notation. We can write division through the division sign or through the fraction line. The rule is always retained. Example, minus 2 whole 1 second. Divide by 3 whole 1/3. When solving examples, count the sign first. Write down the sign so that it does not get in your way. I divide a negative number by a positive number. As a result, according to the rules, we divide a negative number by a positive number. The result is a minus sign. So I write a minus sign. Now I see two mixed numbers. In order to divide the two mixed numbers, I have to write them as an improper fraction. Two integers, 1 2 is 5 2s. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Minus 5 second times 3 whole, 1/3. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Divide by 10/3. The result is minus 5 second divided by 10/3. Recall, in order to divide two fractional numbers, I must replace the division sign with a multiplication sign, and I must invert the second fraction, or say, write the inverse of it, 30. The result is that we can divide the numerator and denominator by 5. 1, 2, and the 2 and 3, we cannot reduce them. Then we get minus 1 times 3, which is 3, and 2 times 2, which is 4. Note that I wrote down the sign of the result first, and then I already calculated what I get in the numerator of the multiplication and in the denominator what number. As a result, I got the fraction minus 3 4. Next example. Minus 10 whole 8 tenths divided by minus 3 whole 6 tenths. In order to get the correct answer, I first write down the sign of the result. I can see that I have a negative number in the numerator and a negative number in the denominator. If I apply the rule, then a negative number divided by a negative number results in a positive number. Therefore, a minus divided by a minus gives a plus, and I do not write down this plus. It remains 10 whole 8 tenths divided by 3 whole 6 tenths. 10.8 tenths can be divided using column division, but it is possible to simplify this action. Tenths divided and 3.6 tenths, I'll multiply by 10. The result is 0.8 tenths times 10 is 100. And 8 and 3.6 tenths times 10 is 36. Then 108 divided by 36 is 3. In the next lesson, we will solve more examples on division of rational numbers. And for today, our lesson has come to an end. Goodbye. See you again.